Now, today we are going to talk about reading section skills 5 and 6. So what is it about? Now, so reading 5 and 6 is just like skill for vocabulary, yeah, in context, yeah, vocabulary in context. Now, for your information that on the TOEFL test, yeah, you will sometimes be asked to determine the meaning of difficult word or expressions. Yeah, a word or expression that you do not know about that one. And in this session, in this case, the passage often gives you a clear indication of what the word or expression means. Yeah, for instance, so there must be some sort of questions like this, yeah, in reading section, yeah, such as like a line in the passage is just like this, and then so there must be one statement, yeah, such as like she has a large geranium growing in the pot in the corner of her apartment. Yeah, so the question is, a geranium is probably which of the following, blah blah blah. Now, so here is the option: sofa, chair, fish, or a plant. Now, according to this one, so we must pay attention for the line, this one, geranium. Geranium is probably which of the following, blah 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 blah. So it means that, so what is the meaning of geranium? Yeah, in this type of questions, so you are not expected to know about the meaning, yeah, but you should understand. Now this is the point, you should understand from the context. Yeah, geranium is something that growing in a pot. Yeah, so this is the clue, growing in a pot in the corner of her apartment. So what things that can be placed in the corner, and which is it is growing? So we can identify that the answer, yeah, probably a plant. Yeah, so this is how can we identify vocabulary in context questions. Yeah, so mostly guys, if we pay attention for English proficiency or TOEFL, yeah, so how to identify the questions, so what is the meaning, blah 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 blah. So this is how to identify the question, and which of the following is closest meaning. Nah, seperti ini aja nih kalimat-kalimatnya, pertanyaan-pertanyaannya. And also what that could be replaced by which of the following. Yeah, so the question is where to find the answer. Now, so this is where to find the answer. The question usually tells you in which line of the passage of the word or expression that can be found. Ya, pasti jawabannya itu berada di konteks dari kalimat tersebut sendiri. Dan how to answer, find a word or expression, and also of course, so you need to take a look. Nah, look for the context clue. Nah, for this one, yang tadi juga kita bisa lihat. So, which one is the context? So the context is just like something. The clue is a growing and the corner. Yeah, what things that can be placed in the corner and it is growing. So we have delta, a plant. Okay. Nah, so make it short, yeah, we go to the exercise. Yeah, so take a look at this. So on TOEFL, yeah, on TOEFL sessions, so you are going to have this kind of session. Yeah, so one passage, yeah, which is consists of 2 paragraphs. Yeah, 1 and 2 paragraph, which is there is a line, yeah, that helps you to identify, and then there must be 4 questions. Yeah, take a look at this. Passage 1 for the questions 1 until 4. Okay, number 1, 2, 3, and also 4. Now, so some sort of questions must be about the word. The word blah blah blah, 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 replace, meaning, closest meaning. Yeah, what else? The closest meaning again, and also can be replaced by. So this is the questions that can we analyze. Yeah. So so if you ask me how to answer these questions, yeah, the first step that you are going to do is read. Yeah, do not read the passage. Okay. Yeah, remember about that one. Do not read the passage. So the first step that you have to do is read the question first. Yeah. The first questions, okay, pigment, okay, surface, okay, permanent, okay, point. So please make your eyes, yeah, put your eyes into those vocabulary: pigments, surface, permanent, and also point. Yeah, so it will not waste your time. Yeah, take a look at for number one. The word pigment in line 2 is the closest meaning to. So what's your answer? Anyone can answer the questions? So please point out your eyes to the word pigment in the line 2. Yeah, this is the clue. Pigment in the line 2. In line 1, line 2. So we have this. Yeah. So the word pigment is the closest in the meaning to skin, muscle, tissue, or color.
Color.
Okay.
Color, miss.
Okay. So the word pigment in the line 2, yeah, is the closest meaning to color. Okay, so we can identify the answer for delta. Why? Because, yeah, take a look at for the clue. This is when the baby born, so they have blue eyes. This is because melanin on the pigment that colors. So this is the clue. Pigment that colors. Yeah, color that colors the eyes. Yeah, part of body that colors our eyes. So we call that number one, delta. Okay, so what about number two? The word surface in the line 2 is closest meaning to, still in the line 2, surface. Now we have this surface. Yeah, surface in the line 2, closest meaning to. Anyone can answer the
Top.
questions?
Top.
Surface, yeah, the closest meaning is just like synonym or a similar meaning. Yeah, surface is just like something on the top. Yeah, so of course the answer is alpha. Yeah, so what about number 3? Take a look at for number 3. The word permanent in line 6 could be replaced by blah blah blah. Line 6, take a look at for this. So you have line 5, and then of course this is line 6. Yeah, take a look at for line 6. Yeah, the green one. The permanent, yeah, the word permanent in line 6 could be replaced by permanent. So we have
Plastic.
permanent. Yeah, we have this permanent. The person permanent's eye. Yeah, what's your answer?
B.
Lasting, Pak.
Yeah, permanent. So the synonym
Lasting.
permanent is just like, yes, lasting. Bravo. Yeah, permanence. It is not. Don't you think that the answer is alpha? No.
No.
So what about number 3? Yeah, of course, lasting. Yeah, lasting forever. Yeah, permanent. Yeah, changeable. It means something that can be changed. Yeah. Nah. So this is the answer for number 3 is bravo. Permanent refers to lasting or synonym with lasting. Okay. So what about number 4? The word point in line 7 could be best replaced by the following. Numbers, line 7. Yeah, line 7 for number blue. Okay, this one. Point. So it is at this point. This point. So what's your answer? Point. At this point. Get the answer, guys. What's your answer?
C.
Dot, era, time, or place. Yeah. So what is it? Number 4. Yeah, at this point, so it means
C.
that it refers to time. Yeah, so at this point, at this time, yeah, that baby's eyes develop the color they will have for a lifetime. So this is for the answer. Number 4 is Charlie. Yeah, so point refers or similar meaning with time. Yeah. Nah, okay. So, is there any questions? So this is how can we identify vocabulary in the context questions. Okay, and then we go to what is it? So we go to, yeah, of course, the following skill. Yeah, for the following skill in the skill 6 about where. Yeah, where questions. Yeah, so sometimes the final questions in the reading, so you will ask to determine where the passage of the piece information is found. Yeah, it's just like the simple question when where is the passage. Yeah, take a look at this for number 1. Yeah, where is the passage? Does the author define the word capital? Yeah, so this is what you're going to do. Try to identify where is the information. Yeah, whether it's in the line 1, 2, 3, or what. Okay, so take a look at this. Yeah, for number 1. Yeah, again and again. So when you when you are trying to answer the questions, yeah, so the first step that you have to do is read the question first, and then and afterwards, so uh, need to go to the text. Yeah, just make it short. Define the word. Yeah, where the author define. Now this is the point. Define the word capital. Yeah, the word capital is just like this. It could be on line 4 and also line 5. But the question is, where does the author define the word capital? In line 1, 3, 4, or 6 to 8? So what about number 1? Can you find out the answer? Okay,
No,
guys?
sir.
No? Can you get the answer? Where in the passage does the author define the word capital? Or here? Yeah, so we have the chat box. Bravo. Line 3, 1, 2, 3. Is it? Both their spelling and their meaning are quite closely related. Okay, is it? Where does the author define the word capital? So what's the answer? Oh, Charlie. Okay. Charlie, sir. Okay, thank you, Farah. Yeah, so this is very simple. Yeah, very simple for you guys. Take a look at this. So we have make a note. Yeah, make a line for this. Line 4. Nah, this one. On the line 4, there is a where the author define the word capital. Yeah, the capital is location of the center of, while capital is actual building. Nah, this one. Yeah, started for from uh, yeah. So this is where the author define the word capital. Nah, this is line 4. Nah, so this is line 4. Capital is the location of the center of the government. Now, so this is the definition of the capital according to the author. Yeah, so we can identify that line 4 is where the author defined the word capital. Okay, so what about number 2? Where in the passage does the author mention where the US capital can be found? Okay, so what's your answer for number 2? What about for number 2? So what's the answer for number 2? Oke, Charlie. Oke, Amara Charlie. Amalia Delta. Parmela Charlie. Farah Delta. Kusuma Delta. Dea Charlie. Oke. Where does the author mention where the US capital can be found? Nah, Lanira Delta, Novita Delta, Dian Delta. Okay, mostly the answer is Delta. Yeah, line 6 until 8. Yeah, so where can we find out that the question is where the US capital can be found? Now, which is the capital city of the can be found is located in Washington, D.C. Now, so this is line 4. Line 5, 6, yeah, 6, 7, 8. Nah, 6 until 8 is where the author mentioned where the US capital can be found. Yeah, so it means that the US capital can be found in the Washington, D.C. Yeah, just remember about that. So the capital, US capital can be found in, what is it? We have this Washington DC. Okay, so we go to the following questions. Yeah, before we go to the following questions, so we have the table here. So the question about the where in the passage, of course, the questions is just like this: where in the passage? Yeah. So what you are going to do is try to choose the keyword. Now that is the point. Okay. Find out the keyword or idea in the questions, and then so you need to skim. Yeah, skim the line in the passage. And then also you have to choose the best answer, of course. But the most important thing is you need to choose the keyword. Yeah, just make sure that your eyes keeps on keyword. Yeah, the keyword of the questions. Yeah, so what about, yeah, the following questions? Yeah, this is we have 3 questions. Yeah, we have 3 questions here. Yeah, can you see it? Can you see this? Okay, number 1 until number, yeah, number 1 until number 3. Yeah, the passage 1, questions for number 1 until number 3. Yeah, the first one, the second one, and the third one. It's all about line. Yeah, so what you're going to do, try to keep your eyes to the keyword. Yeah, take a look at for number 1, number 2, and also number 3. Please, all of you guys, please find out the answer for number 1, 2, and also number 3. Yeah, where the passage does the author mention what hits hits the water in the geyser? Where is it? So what about number 2? Number 2 is about the author indicates how often the old, this is the keyword, the old faithful trumps erupts in blah 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 blah. Yeah, and number 3, where does the author state how long it has been since volcano? Now we have the keyword volcano erupted in the Yellowstone. Yeah, okay. What about number 1? Farah? Farah, is it A, alpha? Okay, alpha, and so that is alpha. Okay. Number 1. Yeah, where does the author mention hits? Hits water, hits the water in the geyser. Yeah, hits the water in the geyser. Now, so we have the clue. Yeah, so the clue is, yes, clue is about, yes, hits in the water in the geyser. So we have geyser and also we have hits. Of course, the answer is alpha. Okay. So what about number 2? Yeah, number 2. The author indicates how often Old Faithful erupts in. How often? Old Faithful. Now, please pay attention. Keep your eyes to the keyword Old Faithful. Where is it? Now we have this Old Faithful, which erupt. Yeah, so this is very easy for you guys to answer the questions, right? So The answer for that one is, of course, Charlie. Yeah, Charlie, because we can find the answer on that one. Yeah, 5, line 5. This one, all. Okay, and then so we go to what is it? We go to another one, number 3. Now, what about number 3? Number 3, Charlie. Okay, where does the author? How long? Volcano, volcano. So please make sure that it's all about volcano and also Yellowstone. Yellowstone volcano. Yellowstone volcano. Yeah. Now 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8, 7 or 8. Nah. Yeah. What's your answer, Charlie? Okay, for number 3, yeah, Charlie. Okay, volcano eruption. Nah, this one. Volcanic eruption in the Yellowstone. Nah, in the Yellowstone. Nah, this one. So that's why the answer is Charlie. Good. Yeah. So this is how can we find out where in the passage. Yeah. So yeah, we don't care about the story, but we care just for the answer. Yeah. Of course, because if we talk about TOEFL, there's a problem. Yeah, the problem is about time. Yeah, so we have a limited time. Yeah, to answer the questions. Yeah, so of course, do not pay attention about the passage. Just care about your question, your answer. Yeah, so that's why the first step that you need to do is try to read the questions, and afterwards, so you go to the text. Okay, number 1, 2, and also number 3. Yeah, you got that one. Yeah, next. What about another one? It's all about NASA. Yeah, the story is very nice, but because we have no time to yeah, because about time, so we need to answer the question as soon as possible, right? So okay, so let me, yeah, this one. What about number 4? Okay, so we have the text about NASA. It's all about NASA. NASA or NASA? Yeah, NASA. Okay, NASA. Yeah, where in the passage does the author state initial NASA represent? Number 4, 5, 6, and 7. What about number 4 first? Number 4, Alpha. Okay, okay, Farah, Afifa. Okay, yeah. Number 4, where's the author state initial of NASA? Yeah, where does NASA, the word NASA coming from? Yeah, yeah. 1, 2. Yeah, in the line 1 until 3. Yeah, of course the answer is Alpha. Yeah, this is the answer. Okay, what about number 5? Number 5. Where in the passage does the author describe a NASA new challenge? Nah, so this is the keyword, new challenge. Yeah, new challenge after the Project Mercury. Nah, new challenge and also Project Mercury. So where that you can find out? Alpha, alpha, alpha. Yeah, alpha, it means 3 until 5. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, new challenge. So we have this new challenge. Nah, new challenge. The new challenge was to send the 2 men. Okay. After Project Mercury. Now, this is the Project Mercury. Of course, you can find out the answer. 1, 2, 3 until, yes, 3 until 5. So the answer is alpha. Yeah. And then for number 6. What about number 6? Okay. Yeah, number 6, bravo. Okay. So where does the author explain the derivation of the word Gemini? Yeah, derivation of the word Gemini. Where does the word Gemini come from? Gemini here. So the green one. Yeah, okay. What's your answer? Six. Bravo. Really? For number six, bravo. Bravo. Six first. Okay. Bravo. Okay. So we have this. Nah, bravo, 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 bravo. Yeah, Husnul bravo, Endah bravo. Yeah. The author explains the derivation of the word Gemini. Bravo, oke, bravo, bravo. Semua bravo semua ya. Oke, oke. Ya, ada lagi yang mau jawab? Anyone? Charlie. Nah, Farah is a different one. Charlie. And then Farah, so you are the lucky number one. So, okay, so you are correct. Why? Ya, derivation. Derivation itu adalah where does the word coming from? Dari mana kata itu berasal? Ya, nah berada pada line ke-9. Ya, Gemini comes from the Latin word geminos, ya, which is mean twin. Ya, nah inilah yang disebut dengan derivation. The author explains. Nah ini dia. Ya, jadi yang 6 sampai 7 itu dia belum menjelaskan apa namanya derivationnya. Ya, oke, jadi nomor 6 itu jawabannya adalah line 9. Ya, nah, saya garis bawahi. Okay, so please pay attention, be careful. Ya, do not in hurry by answering the questions. Yeah, please pay attention because this is very simple. Yeah, it means that you need to get a point. Yeah, do not lose the point. Yeah, okay, please pay attention. And then, so what about number 7? Yeah, what about number 7? Where in the passage does the author describe the composition in the Gemini constellation? So the keyword is Gemini constellation. Okay. 7. Yeah, 7, the blue one. Okay, 7, Gemini. Okay, describe composition of Gemini constellation. Gemini constellation, where ini this one. The Gemini constellation, Gemini receive name blah blah blah. So the answer is yes, delta lines 10 until 11. Yeah. So this is very simple, but you need to careful. Yeah, you need to be careful in case to answer the questions. Yeah, make sure that all of the questions correct. Okay, jangan sampai salah karena setiap soal itu adalah poin buat kalian. Ya, apalagi kalau kita bicara TOEFL ya, TOEFL itu punya standarnya 500, 530 gitu ya. So minimal 500 lah ya. Jadi 500 itu sudah standar dari 10 tahun yang lalu waktu saya jadi mahasiswa. Standarnya memang 500 ya kalau kita sudah belajar bahasa Inggris. Ya, so that was for yeah, the vocabulary or where ya. Jadi sudah bisa dipahami ya apa yang untuk skill hari ini ya, skill 5 and also skill 6 ya. Is there any questions? Ada pertanyaan mungkin buat teman-teman semuanya? Hello guys, is there any questions? Hello. Is there any question? Ya.
Berarti yang dihitung itu garisnya ya, bukan berapa banyak, bukan dari kalimat titiknya itu.
No, we are not talking about the sentences. Yeah, we are talking about line. Yeah. Take a look at this line in line 3. Yeah, in line 3. So it means that. So where is the line? Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, because we have the guidance here 5. Yeah, after 5, of course, this is 6, 7, and 8. Yeah, we're not talking about the sentences. Ya, bukan kalimatnya. Oh, katakanlah, oh ini kalimat pertama. Ya, oh ini kalimat kedua. Ya, it is not about the sentence but line, garisnya. Okay, Liana?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is there any other questions? Ya, nah kalau yang seperti ini kan benar-benar diambil dari vocabulary inline. Ada juga yang dibalik, ya, seperti yang tadi kan, seperti yang kita lihat tadi. Nah, seperti ini. Ya, jadi lainnya ada di terakhir. Oke, ada lagi yang mau ditanya mungkin? Ada pertanyaan yang lain lagi? Ya. So what about the other? Yang laki-laki mana nih? Is there any questions? Ada pertanyaan lagi mungkin? Halo? Ada ya? Ada lagi yang mau ditanya? Oke. Ya, karena sudah tidak ada pertanyaan lagi, saya cukupkan sampai di sini. Ya, again and again, thank you very much for your attention. Thank you for coming today. Also, we have Putri, Elsa, Anissa, Novita, Dea, Kusnul, Amara, Belin, Fafa, Amelia, Dian, Endah, Melania, Farah, Cynthia, Saidina, Liana, Ambarwati, Deka, Devi, Larina, Anissa, Anggita, Dea, ya, Veronica, and all of the participants. Again and again, thank you very much for your attention. Thank you for coming today for this Zoom meeting. Class dismissed, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Thank you, sir.